Hello and welcome back to Mickey Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw MEWTWO from Pokemon. So let's get started. Let's go first with the eyes. Start from one point, small curve going down, then up in a straight line till the eyebrow, then two lines to create the eye. Add two small lines at the front, and then from the center going up to the head, and add the ears. Then from the back of the head, draw a line going down, then the nose, the mouth going up. Draw a line to create a shoulder, and then another line to create the tip of the back. Let's go with the shoulder. Start with one line, another one to create the arm, another shape to create the chest. Now let's finish the arm first. Draw two horizontal lines, wider at the tip, and then create the three fingers. From the back, the connecting lines from the head, finish it with a circular line. And now let's go with the back. There's two lines in each side, and then a third one connecting the shapes. Two undulars going down to the waist, now from this part, from the elbow, let's create one leg going down, then going up just a bit, another line, then the ankle in a C shape, and now let's go with the toes. One line going down, then up for one toe, and then a second one. Finish the gap. And now let's go with the tail. Going up at the same level of the head, and then going down to create all the shape of the tail around it. Let's go with the second foot. Draw a line, then one toe, then complete the shape with four small lines. Now let's go with the second arm. Draw a small line, then a circular to create the fingers. Small curve, and then a circular one. An extra line at the head. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. And also let me know in the comments below which character from Pokemon would you like to see in the next video. See you!